Hey guys, in this video we'll be solving another JavaScript interview problem called Valid Palindrome. A string is a palindrome if it reads same forward and backward. For example, if this is string, we read it from left side or right side, it is the same. So to solve this problem, we can have two approaches. In both of these approaches, first we have to sanitize the input. That is, we have to remove any special characters such as comma or semicolon and empty spaces. And after we have sanitized the input, one easier approach would be to just reverse the string and check it. But reversing an array after splitting will result in a space complexity of order of n. Now the second approach is a two-pointer technique where we won't be using any extra spaces. So the space complexity will be order of 1. Here we'll be having 2 pointers, one at the start of the string and one at the end of the string. And in a while loop, we'll just compare the values at each end. And if it's same, then we'll just increment the left pointer and decrement the right pointer, and we'll repeat the step. If we encounter a pair which is not matching, then we'll just return false. And if it goes through, then we'll just return true since it's a palindrome. So we'll just start coding this. First, we'll sanitize the input. I'll just convert the string to a lowercase and remove all the non-alphanumeric characters. So s equals to s dot to lowercase dot replace. I'll just write a regular expression here. Now we'll only include alphanumeric characters. So if it's not A to Z or not 0 to 9, then just replace it with empty string. So here we have sanitized input string. Now we'll initialize 2 pointers. One is left pointer. It will point to the start index, and a right pointer which will point to the end of the string, s dot length -1. Now we'll just write a while loop. While left is less than right, we'll just compare the string at the character at both the ends. If s of left is equals to s of right, if both the characters are matching at the 2 pointers, we'll just increment the left pointer and decrement the right pointer. Else we'll just return false. If it's not matching, then it's not a palindrome, so we'll return false. And if this while loop goes through, that means we have checked all the pairs, then it means it's a palindrome, so we'll return true. Now since we are using a single loop, so time complexity will be order of n. Time will be order of n, and we are not using any extra space based on the length of the string, so space complexity will be a constant time, order of 1.